A big reason why LandCruisers are so popular, I've seen them everywhere in the world, is because they're United Nations spec. They're the UN's official general purpose vehicle, and in compliance, they're designed to perform for 200,000 miles with minimal repair in developing countries. These things are built like Legos. I once replaced the heater AC blower basket for like $15 in 10 minutes with a Phillips head screwdriver. Seats come out with 4 bolts, easy to get to too. I made this reset button for the blower motor breaker 4 years ago and still works perfectly. The philosophy behind my roadside repair kit is it contains tools for the most part that I can hopefully unstrand myself with before AAA arrives and takes the truck to a garage for a week-long repair. Let's see what we've got in here. Small metric socket set, 3/8. I like Craftsman, rest in peace, Sears. I etched out a little nook for an extender thing. Dear Lord, please deliver me from the day whence I must use this nut-stripping wrench on my beloved truck. Emergency use only. Olfa. Stainless steel zip ties. I've never really figured out how to use these properly. Plastic zip ties with the steel locking tongue, super strong. I'm gonna throw some 11-inch zip ties in there. One of you guys sent me this 6-in-1 screwdriver, and for that, I thank you. I almost threw this one away, but the long shaft might save me one day, so I keep it. You never know. I love vice grips. The 7WR is the most versatile for me and has the little clipper in the jaws. Craftsman wrenches. These are the redundancies of my wrenches in the shop toolbox. I love these urethane bungees. I probably had these for a decade. They're the tool I use most often. Embroidery thread sewing kit. Can't bring myself to throwing this away. From my motorcycle top box, which I've retired, called deep well sockets for my turbo plumbing. This little suction cups for the window shades. I pilfered 3 of these for my bicycle toolkit. I've replaced some of the hardware on this truck with stainless Allen head bolts. Another lash strap, you never know. This is from a car seat. I hate car seats. OEM Toyota for something. Don't know why, but it's in there for some reason. Silicone tape. This is what I use for my pencil grips, but it can also seal hoses pretty well. Sometimes I forget I have this. Lives in the truck, also saves me from running up and down the steps when I'm wrenching in the driveway. I'm irresponsible about the spare, but we have plugs and a compressor for city-style punctures. No need to jack the truck up, just plug and pump. Tom Sachs gave us this beautiful tire iron, but thank God we haven't had to use it yet. Thankfully, since getting the glow plugs and battery replaced, we haven't had any stranded by the side of the road incidents, and we're really looking forward to getting a new engine, which will make the truck even more reliable. This week on the Patreon, archival videos with director's commentary on my Patreon right there. The link is right there.